leaves are green.
Hiccup.
Splishing and splashing water down the stream.
Hiccup, hiccup.
Pheasant family always having some fun. We are the Katuri babies. 4, 2, 3, 1.
Hiccup.
Hello, hello.
Bobby.
How you doing?
Terry.
Nice to meet ya.
I'm Jack.
Well, hello there.
I'm Ted.